I work at Salt and Pretzel Co. for selling sexy pretzels and white sausages. This is the Christkindlmarket in Des Moines, and we're having a blast down here. This is awesome.
How would you say the day went for you and your sales?
We sold out at 7.
What kind of product did you bring with you?
We brought 2 types of sausages. We brought Polish sausage, German beer brats, and we brought knockwursts, and then we also brought pretzels.
Have you ever had this long of a line at any event?
The line was amazing.
So a great experience for you as a vendor?
Very.
Thank you.